This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Richard Calderon. Newly built in 2023, this home combines modern style with everyday functionality. The open floor plan is great for entertaining, with luxury vinyl plank (LVP) flooring throughout for a sleek and low-maintenance design. The fenced-in backyard offers privacy and space to relax, play, or entertain outdoors. Ideally located just 1 mile from Powell's Market and the public boat ramp on Poyners, you'll enjoy the convenience of the farmers market and easy access to the water for boating and fishing. This home is move-in ready and waiting for you. December 27, 2024. For more information, review the details below.